Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on GBEN, Global Resource Energy Incorporated. Before I get started, I would like to note to please check my IRP disclaimer. With that being said, very interesting chart here taking shape. There's quite a few different things going on with it. It's basically been kind of a dead chart until back here in early to mid-March, where you can see some volume did creep into it. And the good thing is that when bigger volume did hit it, the price moved. If you've watched my videos, you've heard me say this before, but there's nothing worse than seeing above average volume come in like this and then seeing the price either go sideways or worse yet down. This was not the case with GBEN. You can see very clearly that when volume did increase, the price reacted nicely. And what we've had going on for basically the past few weeks now is a consolidation period. You can see that volume has dropped off. And even with that, the price has still managed to move up some. So it does look like it doesn't take too much volume to get the price moving, and that's always a good thing. So the first area where I want to start off is kind of from that perspective, and we kind of have bull flag, bull pennant type formation occurring right now. So what I'm drawing here is what we'll call the flagpole portion of the pattern, and then we can draw the top portion of the flag or pennant, whatever you want to call it, which is up here at 12 cents, and I will talk more about that level in just a few moments here. And then for the support, a few different ways you can draw it. What I'm going to do is just use the 10-day simple moving average, which is right here at right now 0.086. So instead of just finding a previous high, I think the easiest way to do that is just to use this moving average right here. So this will be our support portion of the pattern. Now back to the 12-cent level. This is the important level because besides being a resistance, this is also the top portion of this pattern. So this is a key breakout level for the momentum players, pattern players, whatever you want to call them. They will definitely be watching this level here because, as you can see, twice already now, the bulls have tried to get through there. They couldn't quite do it. So very clearly, the 12-cent level is being stubborn, but the good news about stubborn levels is when they can be broken, big moves can happen afterwards. So that's always, kind of the flip side. All situations have two angles, and usually the more stubborn a level is to get through, the bigger the pop when the price can get through it. Now the other thing to note is, I kind of mentioned this already, but during this kind of consolidation that we've had here, sideways action, the volume has dropped off, which from a volume analysis standpoint, that's what you want to see. Had volume. If you're getting volume bars like this, that would definitely not be a good thing, when you're going through consolidation. But volume has been very minor compared to the upwards days, so that's a bullish perspective, when you're just looking at volume alone. So just, a quick little kind of recap of what's going on. We have a bull pennant, bull flag, however you want to call it. The key level on the chart is definitely 12 because after 12, I'll shrink up the chart, you can see that it's essentially a blue sky breakout. I guess I could technically say that the top of this candle up here at 19 as resistance, but then you look at the volume and you can't count this day. So as far as I'm concerned, after 12 cents, that is blue sky breakout territory. So that's a very crucial level. We have the nice volume that's been going on, but on that same note, the way the price has been moving in correlation with the volume, it looks like it doesn't take much to move it, so that's always a positive thing too. And then you'll want to keep your eye on the 10-day simple moving average right now, which is valued at 0.086, being the key little support level right now. So if there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, keep your eye on GBEN. Thanks for listening.